Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change WRX spark plugs. First, gather your tools, including a spark plug socket, ratchet, extensions, and a torque wrench. Make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid injury and potential damage to components. This job typically takes about 2 to 3 hours for a first-timer. Having the right parts in preparation makes the process much smoother and safer for your vehicle. Before diving in, let's confirm your toolkit. You'll need a 5/8" spark plug socket, a ratchet, and several extensions, including a 6" and a 3". A universal joint can be very helpful for those tight spots. Don't forget your torque wrench. It's vital for tightening the new plugs to the correct specification, usually around 15 foot-pounds. Always disconnect your battery's negative terminal for safety. Now let's get those old plugs out. Begin by carefully disconnecting the electrical connectors from each ignition coil. Then, unbolt and remove the coils themselves. Using your 5/8" spark plug socket with appropriate extensions, reach down into the cylinder head and loosen each spark plug. Turn counterclockwise to remove them. Inspect the old plugs for signs of wear or issues, which can tell you a lot about your engine's health. It's time for the new plugs. Apply a tiny bit of anti-seize compound to the threads of each new spark plug. Carefully hand-thread them into the cylinder head to avoid cross-threading. Once snug, use your torque wrench to tighten each plug to the manufacturer's specification, usually around 15 foot-pounds. Reinstall the ignition coils, reconnect their electrical connectors, and finally, reattach your battery's negative terminal. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.